In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Chatbot AI. By the end, you'll feel comfortable getting started, finding your way around, and using the tools that matter most for chatting and creating visuals. First, open the official Grok website in your browser. Once you're there, log in with your account to access the full experience. After you sign in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your control center, and it's organized into a few key sections: chat, voice, imagine, projects, and history. Take a moment to look around and get familiar with where everything lives. A quick tour now will make everything easier later. When you're ready to ask questions or get help with information, head straight to chat. This is where you type your prompts, just like you would talk to a helpful assistant. Keep your request clear and specific. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about marketing," try, "Give me a simple overview of content marketing for small businesses." If the first answer isn't exactly what you need, follow up right in the same chat. You can refine, ask for examples, or request a shorter or more detailed version. Plain language works best, and you don't need to be formal, just say what you're trying to do. If you want to create images or even short video concepts, click Imagine. Describe what you have in mind as if you're talking to a creative partner. Mention the subject, style, colors, and any mood or setting you care about. For instance, a cozy reading nook with warm lighting, soft textures, and a modern minimal style. If you're aiming for a video concept, add a brief sense of motion or sequence, like camera slowly pans across the room. You can iterate by adjusting your description until it matches your vision. You'll also see the voice section on the dashboard. This is designed for interacting through spoken input or listening to responses, depending on what's available to you. It can be helpful if you prefer talking over typing. Projects helps you keep related work together, so your chats and visual generations for a specific task stay organized. History is where past interactions live. Use it to revisit earlier ideas, copy results, or pick up where you left off without starting from scratch. From here, feel free to explore. Start with chat for information or planning, then move to imagine when you're ready to turn ideas into visuals. Keep your prompts clear, build on each result, and refine as you go. That's all you need to begin using Grok confidently.